Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. We are going to share with you our beginner's surfing experience at Kuta Beach in Bali. We've always wanted to learn how to surf, and we finally had the opportunity to do it here in one of the most popular surf spots in the world. Before we hit the water, we booked our private lesson for 150,000 rupiah per person. That's about $10 per person. We also took a quick lesson from the local instructors to learn the basics of paddling and standing up on the board. Once we were in the water, we realized that surfing is not as easy as it looks. It took us a while to catch our first wave, but once we did, the feeling was amazing. Of course, we also had our fair share of wipeouts and falls, but that's all part of the learning process. The key is to keep trying and not to get discouraged. Kuta Beach is a perfect destination for beginner surfers looking to learn and improve their skills in a beautiful and friendly environment. It's a beautiful place, and we can't wait to come back and improve our skills. If you have any comments or question, please leave them below on the comments section. Thanks for watching.